Welcome to the 2025 Mahindra Treo Auto Rickshaw review. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the future of three-wheeler mobility with the 2025 Mahindra Treo Auto Rickshaw. If you're looking for eco-friendly, high-performance solutions for public transport, this model might just be what you need. Stay with us as we explore its design, performance, features, and everything else you need to know. Exterior design build. The new Treo sports a modern, sleek design with aerodynamic elements that improve both efficiency and style. Its compact frame makes it perfect for urban mobility, while the body panels are built from lightweight yet durable materials for improved range and longevity. Electric powertrain performance. Powered by Mahindra's advanced electric motor, the Treo offers excellent torque with smooth, silent operation. With a top speed suitable for city routes and an impressive range on a single charge, it promises both drivers and passengers a comfortable ride without compromising on efficiency. Features: interior comfort. Inside, the 2025 Treo is surprisingly spacious, with upgraded seat cushioning for maximum passenger comfort. The dashboard now features a digital instrument cluster, offering real-time information about battery status, speed, and range. Additionally, the new model includes USB charging ports and enhanced ventilation, ensuring both convenience and comfort for everyone on board. Safety technology. Mahindra has equipped the Treo with essential safety features such as a reinforced frame, improved braking system, and LED lighting for enhanced visibility. The regenerative braking system not only improves control but also contributes to energy efficiency, extending battery life on long rides. Final thoughts. The 2025 Mahindra Treo Auto Rickshaw is a game-changer for sustainable transport. It combines smart technology, user comfort, and eco-friendly performance, making it an excellent option for cities moving toward greener transportation. Thank you for tuning into this review on Car Chronicles. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest in automotive trends. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.